Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to London Heathrow. Time now just approaching 20 minutes past 5. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. You may now make and receive calls as well as use your data services on your handheld electronic devices. When it is safe to leave your seats, take care when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. Before leaving the aircraft today, please make sure you have all your personal belongings with you by checking the overhead locker, underneath the seat in front of you, and of course the seat pockets. And remember that smoking is not allowed until you have reached a designated area. If your journey ends here at Heathrow on leaving the aircraft, please follow the yellow signs for arrivals. If you are connecting on to another flight from Heathrow today, please follow the purple signs for flight connections, where our ground colleagues will be ready to assist you. All of us at British Airways and the One World Alliance, thank you for choosing to fly with us today. Wherever you're going to, take care and a very good afternoon. Thank you and goodbye.
Di sicurezza lasciata, fino al completo spegnimento dei motori e quando l'apposito segnale verrà spento. Ricordiamo ai signori passeggeri di fare attenzione nel riprendere gli oggetti personali posti nella cappelliera all'eventuale caduto durante l'apertura. I passeggeri in transito sono pregati di recarsi all'uscita del prossimo volo almeno 30 minuti prima della partenza. British Airways ringrazia i signori passeggeri per aver scelto i propri servizi e si augura di ospitarli ancora a bordo dei propri aerei. Arrivederci.
L'altra